Alright, so Will and Austin just showed up. We have a couple more people coming. And then there's Nate's car over there. But yeah, this thing is super clean. You don't want him to see it? This thing's a full track car. Pretty insane.
That's where I was. Before I hit the car.
Hey, what's up? Alright, we made it over to South OC Cars and Coffee. We're having to space out our cars, which is interesting, but we snuck in the back and they got mad. So I don't know if we'll come back next weekend. Oh yeah, the yellow joint. That thing's sick. That's clean.
What do you think of that color?
I think it's like, I don't even know what it's called, topaz maybe? Topaz blue? It's definitely clean.
Parker loves Viper. This is like his thing.
Yeah.
I think it's sick.
Oh! Hey!
Did I make you cream?
Yeah. Oh, this thing's fresh too.
Oh.
Z06?
Where's Matt Mormon?
Damn! He hates these things.
They're junk. They're absolute junk.
Oh
Oh
shit.
shit, watch out on me.
What's gonna happen? Look at the exhaust. God damn.
Dude, you know F80 sound like, dude. Nice smack. That's super nice.
Oh, it's got gray interior. Dude, that thing's low.
Springs,
Those
dude.
are usually not that low.
Hey, Hunter. What's up, man?
We just found this E46 M3 in the same color as mine, but this one actually has like good paint. Looks pretty clean. It makes me excited to correct mine and ceramic coat it. The reflections are super nice. That's fresh.
I like that carbon hood.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'd go painted, but I like how it has a bulge to it.
Yeah, it's sick. Those are cool wheels too. They're like American racing or something.
Something like that.
It's a great interior with dry carbon throughout the whole interior. So instead of like the gloss, it's all dry. I prefer the dry carbon a lot more.
Yeah, the dry carbon looks sick.
Even like the gas caps is an option. Yeah. Probably.
You don't know him?
Does he have an
Big
R8?
YouTuber?
I don't know.
Yeah, he has the red R8.
Huh.
And like
Does he have like a crazy horsepower Q50 or something? Or
yeah.
Infinity?
Or no, a 350Z, I
Oh
think.
yeah, I forgot you put T37s on it. Yeah, those are so good.
Fresh kicks. Yeah, one of these C6 Z06s, this is a big dream car for me, especially in this red. Looks so good. Akrapovic exhaust. Ooh. That's sick. Ooh, a Denon M5. Yes, sir. I'd rock this.
And it's a 4-door.
Omni? Look at those tires. Alright, we left the car show and now we're cruising on PCH. We're gonna head over to Javier's in Newport Beach because Nate thinks there's gonna be some good supercars and hypercars out, just because that's been like the first car show in a long time. So yeah. Oh, he waited for me. Thanks, Spence. But yeah, I'll update you guys when we get over there. Newport Beach. Beautiful. Alright, we just stopped at Javier's. We saw a 918 Spider, which is really cool. It was just driving through, and then there was nothing else interesting. So we're headed to the office, and then we're gonna go get Chick-fil-A for breakfast, brunch type of deal. So I'll see you there. Yeah, this is an Uber Eats ride along.
They pick you up to go order your food?
Yeah. We'll just bring it to you.
Are you gonna get Chick-fil-A or what?
Yeah.
You gonna come with us?
Yeah. And then we'll come back.
Okay.
Sure.
Let's do it.
Who's going first?
I mean, you're slow, so.
Oh.
Hey, what the hell?
Oh.
Get the back here, bitch.
He's a little biatch. Yeah, can I get 14 hash browns and 23 lemonades and 3 Diet Cokes? Yo, you need the harnesses, bro. Fucking Irvine GP. Oh, he's got the JDM blinkers?
Yeah, that shit's fucking hot, boy. Damn.
Yo.
Yo, you gotta slow down for the
Oh. a nice PCH cruise. Oh, the Miami Blue.
Dude, it was relaxing actually. I kind of I like going slow. A little bit.
Turn off my air conditioning. Hold on.
Oh, me too.
Want to make it out for weight reduction?
Hey, why y'all get out, bro? Oh man, what's that smell?
Oh!
Oh, this clutch. Like cool, 200 horsepower, what?
Yeah, see it, Nate.
This thing's pretty slow too.
Later, bruv.
You gotta rip the inside of this thing.
Who puts a chicken mason next to a Chick-fil-A?
That's the dumbest idea ever.
What kind of business plan was that? We got lemonade, Diet Coke, we got Chick-fil-A, and we got speed bumps.
We just got Chick-fil-A.
Dessert. I need a nap.
That sounds good.
I want to go to bed.
Yep.
I kind of want coffee. I need caffeine. Ooh.
They have good coffee here, right?
Oh yeah, you got that.
Man, that was a long day, and it's only like 1:50 right now. I don't even think I pointed the camera on myself yet this morning, but that was super fun. We had like a whole crew together, and we all cruised down to a kind of local car show down in South OC. The driving was the funnest part. Obviously because of this virus, they have to be super cautious about how they run car events and stuff. So it wasn't the best, but we saw a couple cool cars, and it was good to get out and just drive for a little bit. It was like 45 minutes away. So yeah, we had fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know if I'm gonna film anything else today. I think Spencer's supposed to make a video, isn't that right?
At some point, yeah.
Yeah.
I just don't want to go more than 2 days without filming.
Yeah, I feel that's what I've been doing.
I'm just so tired, dude. I'm so beat up. That was a long morning.
I know. I'm about to hype you up though, and I'll film it.
I think driving and spending all morning working and like just a car show walking around, it's like we haven't done a lot lately, so
Yeah.
I'm like burnt out completely.
Yeah, same here. I feel super tired, but we did have Chick-fil-A, so I'm feeling not too bad.
Could be worse.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, if I film anything else, I'll update you guys. Alright, so we decided to go over to Precision Dynamics. I don't know, we're just gonna go see what they're doing. I was supposed to go over there and make a video on this car. We're gonna kind of go over like the general failures on E46 M3s and then talk about what's wrong with my car. So we're gonna have to do that video at some point, but I don't know if that'll be today. But we're gonna go see what they're up to. Dude, there's so many cool cars.
I came in this morning like 8 and I got some strawberries.
Alright, so Spencer has this very secret location. It's super windy, so I don't know if you'll be able to hear me. But basically it's right in between a couple palm trees in Irvine. Looks super cool with my car. I'm going to take a couple photos for Instagram. And yeah, it's kind of like harsh sunlight right now, but I should be able to get a couple good shots. Super cool. There's Spencer's car over there. So I just got a couple photos at this really cool spot. There's tons of palm trees around, and pavement is perfect, and the car looks really good in the sun. So on our way to Cars and Coffee this morning, Spencer swerved around like a piece of a tire, and I didn't see it because I was right behind him. And it took out the front grille. I don't know if you can see that, but the front grille came off the bumper, and this bumper's junk anyways, so I'll have to get that replaced really soon. But yeah, it's looking good. It's definitely not bad. In the sunlight, I love how this color looks. It just looks blue. So that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it and seeing some of the cars at the car show. Yeah, it's kind of just like, this is something that I think Spencer and I want to do more often. We kind of want to get more BMW guys together, BMW and Porsche guys together, and just go on different cruises and stuff. We're not super into car shows or anything. We're more just into driving and having fun. So we're definitely going to host more of those, kind of starting at our office. I appreciate you guys watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.